Hey everyone, have you heard about 3D printing houses? It's such a game changer.
Yeah, I read about it. It's amazing how people build an entire house using a 3D printer. But does it stronger than a normal house?
Absolutely. The precision of 3D printing and the material make it strong and can even resist an earthquake.
Oh, how about the cost of the 3D printing house? I mean, it sounds expensive.
It does sound expensive, but it doesn't. It is in fact more cheap and the cost is 45% less than normal houses.
And it's not just because the materials. It's also because the less labor for the worker and the process is automatic.
Exactly, architects are having its feel they wish this technology. It's opened up so many possibilities for creative and functional design.
Okay, but what about the lifespan? Is it more better than the normal house?
In many cases, yes, the 3D printed house can last up to 300 years, while the normal house can last about average 100 years.
And don't forget about the environmental benefits. Less waste, less energy consumption, and the potential use local materials make it greener option.
It, al- it also great for disaster relief. Imagine being able to quickly print house for people who have lost their homes in natural disaster.
Oh, wow, that's incredible. So, do you think the 3D printed house will become the norm in the future?
I think so. As the technology improves and becomes more accessible, we'll see more and more 3D printed homes. It's an exciting time for construction and architecture.
But what about regulation? Housing codes are strict, and I wonder if 3D printed house will meet those standards.
That a challenge will have to overcome. There a lot of work being done to ensure that 3D printed homes meet safety and building code. It's just a matter of time before it become more mainstream.
Oh, so it sounds like we are all on board with the potential of 3D printing in construction. But what do you think the biggest challenge will be moving forward?
At the same public perception, people need to
Okay.
trust that these homes are safe and reliable.
Also, we need to make sure we have the right regulation in place to ensure the safety.
Exactly. If we can tackle those challenges, 3D printing could really revolutionize the housing.
On a larger scale, 3D printing houses could revolutionize the construction industry globally. It has the potential to address housing shortages in developing countries and provide affordable housing solutions.
That's true. It could also help in reducing the carbon footprint of the construction industry, which is significant contribution to global emission.
And, and let not forget about the economic impact. It could create new jobs in tech and manufacturing sector while reducing cost for consumers.
Oh, plus, it also could lead to more resilient housing in areas prone to natural disaster, improving overall safety and quality of life.
On a smaller scale, imagine the customization. Sorry. On a smaller scale, imagine the customization options for individual homeowners. You could design your own home exactly the way you want it, with unique features and layouts.
That's true. And for the community, it could mean faster recovery times after disaster, Local 3D printing companies could quickly build homes for displaced families.
It also allows for more efficient use of space and resources. Small, compact houses could be printed for urban areas where space is limited.
And think about the educational opportunities. Schools and universities could use the 3D printing to teach students and about engineering, architecture, and sustainability.
Exactly. The possibilities are endless, both on a large and small scale.
That's true. It's an exciting time to be part of this technology revolution.
Specifically, I can't wait to see how it all unfolds.
Yeah, me too. The future of housing looks bright.